So I take pleasure in launching one of the features which really had a great deal of interest when I announced that it's going to be in the roadmap at last year's Horizon. This is OneView. The principle is very simple, but it's very difficult to achieve. If you're going to a meeting with a supplier, let's say you're sitting across the table with Dell, you really want to have a single view of the supplier. You want to know how much you've spent with them. You need to know what is the supplier performance, maybe in other divisions of yours, because the last thing you want to do is give an RFP to a supplier who's rated low in supplier performance by some other geographical unit. So it's a single view of your supplier across the entire procurement process. So at this time, I'd like to call upon Zach, who's our manager for solution consulting, and he'll just give a brief demo for OneView.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Horizon 2013. Thank you so much, Atish, for introducing me. What we're doing here, what Atish has dreamed and what he has told you guys about at Horizon 2012 and now is being launched today, this is disruptive in the market. This is groundbreaking what we're doing. So we're taking the entire product suite across the entire procure-to-pay as well as the upstream products with Zycus, and we're providing data to you in one single view. So now you can imagine I've searched for a supplier. I've got data coming in from all different parts of the Zycus product suite. So if you look, I'm pulling in data from iAnalyze. I've got data coming in from iContract, as well as from Supplier Performance Management. It's all on a single supplier report card. So to Atish's point, I'm sitting across the conference table with one of my suppliers, and they're putting pressure on me, and they're saying, hey, we need you guys to leverage more spend, and by the way, our margins, we're having pressure, so we need to increase your prices. Well, you can look at them and say, well, I can see exactly what we've spent. I can see all of our category commodity information that we're purchasing from you. I've got access to your contracts. In addition, I can see your performance plans. I can see your scorecards. All the data that you see here is drillable, so I can drill down into the data layers underneath, and as the video picks back up, you can have these conversations with your suppliers and say, sure, we'll leverage more spend with you guys. However, we need you to improve performance in these areas, and we need you to give us better prices on these top commodities that we're purchasing for you. So gentlemen, can you start the video back up? So this is revolutionary, this is groundbreaking, and this is the power of a single organic suite. We can take all of the data that resides within the Zycus application, and now we can provide it to you in a powerful and meaningful way, giving you the ability, as you see on the screen here, cross-product data views, all built and provided to you right out of the box. So the OneView product is going GA next month in November, and then we're also releasing our mobile applications as well. So Atish said you're going to be able to sit across with your iPad, with your Google Pad, etc., sit across the conference table from your suppliers and say, have these types of conversations. So now we're going to have a quick demo of the OneView product on a mobile device, and you'll see how quick and easy this is to navigate. This is actually being done from a miniature smart device. This is even smaller than an iPad, and you can see I can have access to everything that I need to see about my suppliers. I've got summary information. I've got detail type of information. I can see in a single view. I can see down to the dollar how much I have spent with this supplier across any time horizon that I define. It can be the last year, the last 18 months, etc. Can see for several months, a 3-month view, quarterly, month-over-month view, yearly view. All of this data I have access to. I can see my top 5 categories here listed out. I'm seeing data that says, okay, I've spent $1.6 million on this category. I've spent $1.5 million on that category. Mr. Supplier, how are you going to provide me with better service as well as better prices given the amount of money that I'm spending with you? So this is an unbelievable tool. And this is something that we are so pleased and so proud to be rolling out to you guys. So as we finish up the demo here, the guys are going to be available to demo these products to you today and tomorrow. So if you want to see this on a smart device, you want to see this on a laptop device, we're going to be available to show this to you. And we're very, very excited to be here. Thank you all for coming to Horizon.
Thanks, Zach.